Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Imagine this, it's a lazy Sunday morning, and instead of scraping burnt bits off a sticky old waffle maker or waiting forever for uneven squares, you pour batter into a sleek ceramic beast that flips out golden, crispy, fluffy waffles in under 4 minutes. Perfect edges every time, no chemicals, and it cleans in the dishwasher. Sounds like breakfast bliss unlocked, right? Well, today we're flipping for the GreenPan Elite waffle iron, and let me tell you, this PFAS-free powerhouse could turn your kitchen into a waffle wonderland without the mess or hassle. If you're over greasy grids or toxic coatings, stick around. By the end, you'll be craving stacks. And hey, grab it through the link in the description to support the channel at no extra cost to you. Let's waffle on. First, let's break down the features that make the GreenPan Elite a breakfast boss. This isn't your grandma's rusty iron. It's a premium stainless steel flip-style maker with diamond-infused ceramic nonstick plates that heat up to 450 degrees in 3 minutes. The 7-inch round plates make one thick Belgian waffle per cycle, with adjustable shade dial from light to dark and a ready light plus beep when it's hot and done. The drip tray catches overflow for zero countertop chaos, and the whole thing is dishwasher safe, plates removed with a button push. It runs on 1000 watts for even browning, with cool touch handles and a locking lid for upright storage. PFAS-free ceramic means no forever chemicals, and the flip mechanism ensures batter spreads perfectly. Setup is plug and go, no seasoning needed, and it stands vertical to save space. I tested with classic, chocolate, and gluten-free batters. Each waffle released clean in 3.5 minutes, crispy outside, soft inside. Overall, it's effortless elegance that blends pro performance with healthy non-stick for daily delights or brunch parties. Now onto the pros and cons, because real batter helps you stack smart. On the pro side, the ceramic nonstick is magic. No oil needed, waffles slide out flawless, and cleanup is literally dishwasher toss. Users love the flip for uniform thickness, adjustable crispness for any mood, and the drip tray that saves sanity. At around $80, it's a steal for premium build with fast heat and consistent results across recipes. Reviewers rave about the removable plates for deep clean and how it stores slim. Bottom line, it amps mornings, cuts calories with less butter, and feels luxurious without the label. The cons fairly flipped. $80 stings for occasional users, though cheaper than pro brands long-term. It makes one waffle at a time, great for two, slow for crowds, and the cord is short at 3 feet. A few noted the beep is soft in noisy kitchens, and thick batters need careful pour to avoid overflow. No temperature numbers, just shades and the ceramic scratches if using metal utensils. These are minor crisps in a golden grid. So, do I recommend the GreenPan Elite waffle iron? You bet, especially if you waffle weekly, hate scrubbing, or want healthy non-stick without toxins. The pros like easy release and dishwasher joy far outweigh the cons for families, brunch fans, or gadget lovers. It's a morning maker that pays off and smiles. If that's your stack, click the link in the description right now to snag it on Amazon. Best prices and deals await. Quick shout out, if these waffle wins get you griddling, subscribe and turn on notifications for more kitchen flips. And click that affiliate link. It keeps the batter flowing at no extra cost to you. Finally, a quick reminder, grab the GreenPan Elite through the link below for the best pricing and our special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, team. If this stacked your cravings, give it a like, share with a breakfast buddy, or subscribe for more. Happy waffling.